cooldown. Let me know cooldown. Keep that fast. Heal right, heal right.
3 seconds.
Okay, hold on.
I'll try to
Let's
stop them, no?
wait. QW this stack. Ready. Gate 3,
Tiro,
2, 1. Hit the gate. Everybody hit the gate. Just hit the gate.
Nice one. One more.
Kill this guy. One more.
Guys, do not loot. Ay, si...
Stop looting. You. Kill this guy. My skull mark. Okay, come back. Let me know
Hindi
cooldown.
ko.
Let me know cooldown. They're looking. Ready. Outside. So you gotta go deeper. Outside. Okay. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Deeper now.
Tulak na tulak.
Boys. Yo, color death. Walk. Ready, demon on the front.
Walk in.
Ready, demon on the front.
Oh, another engage.
They're looking.
Three,
Go east side. Take the southeast side. Take the southeast angle. DPS. Go east side. Yo, they're full running. Random.
Running. Ito ka na, lakas natin.
Get the chariot.
Kaya pa? Ah, ito Pats.
Mount up nasa likod.
Kinukuha ko lang yung Pats ha. Sana hindi ako.
Mount up
Yeah,
lang.
it's okay.
DPS
Okay lang yung patch, walang problema sa patch.
Ito?
Ito, looter nila to.
Looter nila.
Go.
Bulin nyo.
Chase.
Ito patay na to. Uy, ako pa nakapatay. Let's go.
Bulin nyo.
Go,
Puno na ako sa inyo.
GG ba to?
No.
Wala, walang GG.
No, GG.
Puno ka na? Sir Sap?
Oh, punong-puno na ako sa inyo. 3, 2, 1, drop it.
Namatay ka, Rosas? Namatay si Rosas?
May stand ka pa, Sir Sap.
Wala na ako. Cargo.
Okay.
Ano, pinulwa eh. Tangin nyo.
Radio Monster.
Good job, everybody.
Nice one, guys.
Mount up 8-8, mount up pa.
Yo,
Fight ngayon ah.
ping if you're chasing someone.
Ito, sa south. Layo.
Southwest.
Ang ina si G-chan, may hinahabol par.
Go to the ping.
Don't trap yan.
Ping. If you're chasing someone, ping.
Don't trap yan.
Gagi, out na ka pa.
Ping ulit.
Just keep pinging.
Just keep
pinging.
Sa akin yung